Welcome to today's episode of Extraterrestrial Cooking in the alien forest of Britain. Today we're making an extraterrestrial forest cheese sandwich with our used wood saw, which is covered in tasty sawdust for seasoning. We start sawing into our loaf. Lovely seeded sourdough loaf. Lovely thick slices. Just need some butter, which you were too stupid to get. So today's episode of Extraterrestrial Cooking. For this particular extraterrestrial sandwich, you only need 2 slices of bread. Then we take our lovely pre-sliced British mature cheddar, put a couple of slices between our extraterrestrial loaf, and there you have it, an extraterrestrial cheese sandwich. I can taste space dust.
Ist das lecker?
Yeah. Bread tastes like the colour purple.
The bread tastes like the colour purple?
Yeah.
Must be the aliens infiltrating your brain senses.
I need a tinfoil hat.
You need a tinfoil hat. So, verdict?
5 out of 10 Martians.
5 out of 10 Martians.